Hello everyone. On today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to insert page numbers in Google Docs starting from page 3. First step, open Google Docs and open new document or open an already started document that you want to make this change to. Since I've started a new document, now I will create two more pages by simply clicking enter on my keyboard. As you can see now, we created three pages. Now on my third page, I need to go to insert, head over to break and select section break next page. This command will create page number 4 automatically. On the fourth page, just click backspace once if you want to delete it and start over from page 3. Now, on page 3, I need to open Insert again and add a header to this page. When this header window pops up, first I need to untick Link to Previous and head over to Options. In this section, select Page Numbers. Now in this window, your selection to these options needs to be exactly the same if you want this to work. Click on Apply and that's it. Your numbering will start from the third page. Now I will create two more pages just to test it. And yes, it works perfectly. I hope this will help you and see you soon.